Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the OSO inspired collaboration. Now for this month, Alicia sent us out a really fun inspiration in the form of a sketch and a card. So as you can see, it's a hexagon birthday card and the sketch is really inspiring, and we decided that we just follow the sketch as it is and create something. So we're going to create like a jumbo large tag, and today we'll be using this Kaisercraft collection Bombay Sunset. And why we're using this is because we have just limited scraps left in terms of tiny pieces, which we think are going to be perfect for this particular project. So to begin with, we're choosing our base. So we're using this as a base paper, and we'd use another sheet as a layer on top. So first let's just trim that down, and we're going to be trimming this down to about 7.5 inches. So that is our first layer, and we could also trim down the second layer piece slightly from the sides, just like a 1/4 inch, and that would be sufficient. So that can be our second layer. So now if we want, we can just give some depth and dimension there, which should look good. So first we'll work a little on this layer. So for the topmost layer, we'd be adding some texture through a stencil inspired by the hexagon on the card. We're using this hexagon stencil, and we're using 3D matte gel for our texture. So just taking a little bit of the gel and adding that texture. Now before really drying this out, we're gonna sprinkle some glitter onto it so that when it dries clear, the glitter stands up and sparkles. We're using this Wow Glitter Extra Fine White and Spark Tinsel Black by American Crafts. So with that done now, that's how our texture looks. Now we're just grabbing some scrap piece of chipboard to stick this down for that depth on our base layer. So just using tacky glue for this. Now we can build our layers further. So following the sketch, we've decided to just play around with certain borders that come in the sticker sheet with this kit, as well as maybe the borders that come at the bottom of the paper. So that will also be a good option. So this is from a foiled sheet that comes in the collection, and that can be a nice border there against the contrast of this strip that we chose. So first let's glue this down, and we can go ahead and cut it, giving it a fishtail look, just following the sketch completely. So we can add another border over here next to it, just for a nice contrast. Either that, which is the same pattern but on white, so that should look good. So just cutting it down a bit. and maybe give the ends again a slight cut to match our golden border. Next, in place of the hexagon shapes or any other shape there, we decided to use the chipboard pieces that come coordinated with this collection. So we're using these long ones and just using tacky glue and positioning them. So that makes a great focal element there. And now we're just going to use some of these collectibles die cut again from the Bombay Sunset collection to enhance our focal in accordance with that sketch there. So maybe just use some foam tape and this flower here. And now all we need is a simple sentiment which we can add from the sticker sheet. Fun starts here, that looks good. So we could just have that down in place. So now we can pull our base, and since this is going to be something like a jumbo tag, let's just have small triangles cut on the top. Now we can just glue this base piece down. And now we're just going to find the midpoint and punch a hole, add an eyelet and tie our ribbon there to complete it. So we're using a crocodile for this to get a nice center, and then we can use our eyelet setter there to do that. So that punches a hole, and now we'll just pick a nice, so green will contrast really well with this one, so we'll pick that. So with that done, now we have that nice contrasting element to our jumbo tag. So now all we got to do is tie some ribbon. So we'll use this golden yellowish orange for our ribbon element there, and just trim a piece down. That's it. So that completes our jumbo tag inspired by the sketch today. So as you can see, it was really fun and easy to put together this jumbo tag, and we're always about using minimal elements and putting a project together. So that's just not a difficult task at all. And that's another reason why we love these coordinated kits, where we have coordinated pattern papers with some die cut elements, chipboard in this case, because it's just convenient to put everything together and create a project. So we also hope that you hop with us, because we have some amazing artists and crafters out there as a part of this collaboration, and it's always fun to see how each person is inspired by the inspiration piece and what he or she ends up creating. So do hop with us, leave us all some love, like our videos, share our videos, and spread this love for art and craft. And until our next time, the next hop, our next tutorial, whatever, take care and bye-bye.